How to fix a blank Honeywell thermostat.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to fix a blank Honeywell thermostat. If you've encountered this issue, don't worry, we're here to help you out. A blank thermostat screen can be frustrating, but it's often a problem that can be resolved with a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and get your thermostat up and running again.
Check the power.
The first thing you'll want to do is check the power source for your thermostat. A blank screen could be an indication of a power problem. Start by ensuring that the thermostat is properly connected to a power source. Check if it's plugged into an electrical outlet or if it's wired correctly if it's a hardwired thermostat. Additionally, check if the circuit breaker or fuse for your HVAC system is not tripped or blown. Reset the breaker or replace the fuse if necessary.
Replace batteries, if applicable.
If your Honeywell thermostat uses batteries, it's crucial to make sure they are in good condition. Replace the batteries with fresh ones to ensure that power is being supplied to the thermostat properly. Sometimes, when the batteries are low or drained, the thermostat screen may go blank.
Reset the thermostat.
Another troubleshooting step you can try is to reset the thermostat. To do this, locate the reset button on your Honeywell thermostat. It's usually located either on the front or the side of the device. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. After releasing the button, give the thermostat a few moments to reboot and initialize. This reset can often fix any temporary software or configuration issues that may have caused the blank screen.
Check for loose wiring connections.
Loose wiring connections can also be a common cause of a blank thermostat screen. To address this, turn off the power to your HVAC system before proceeding. Then, carefully remove the thermostat cover to access the wiring. Check for any loose or disconnected wires and ensure they are properly connected to their corresponding terminals. Tighten any loose connections gently but firmly. Once the wiring is secure, reinstall the thermostat cover and restore power to the HVAC system.
Contact Honeywell support.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue and your thermostat screen is still blank, it may be necessary to reach out to Honeywell support for further assistance. They have a dedicated customer support team that can provide specific guidance based on your thermostat model and the nature of the problem you're experiencing. They may be able to walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or advise on any necessary repairs or replacements. And there you have it. We've covered some common troubleshooting steps to fix a blank Honeywell thermostat screen. Remember to check the power source, replace batteries if applicable, reset the thermostat, and inspect for loose wiring connections. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Honeywell support for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful, and your thermostat is back in action soon. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.